Meghalaya Cabinet on Tuesday approved several proposals including the amendments to the Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax 2017, Meghalaya Medical Council and National Law University. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said these are amendments that are mandated in terms of the decisions taken by the GST Council, which are then implemented by the state governments. He said every state government has to amend the GST Act as per the amendments made by the GST Council. He also said that these amendments will be brought before the upcoming Assembly session, slated to be held from September 15th. On the National Law University of Meghalaya Bill 2023, the Chief Minister said this is related to the Finance Committee in the university. Besides, the government has also repealed the Rajit Lal University Act 2011 through an ordinance.
And those ordinances were brought today in terms of an amended bill or a bill, and that will be put up in the Assembly. So the first was the repeal of the Rajit Lal University Act 2011. Second was the amendment of Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax 2017. These are amendments that are mandated in terms of the GST Council, the decisions that have been taken by GST Council. Bill for the Meghalaya Medical Council Amendment Bill 2023. This again was an ordinance, if you recall, and those have been made, and the ordinance was passed a few weeks back, and that now again